Rancher, may I ask you a question?
Of course, Aegis. Questions are the first step toward wisdom. What's on your mind?
I was reading about the LightSail program. What was it exactly? I saw mention that it might have been intended for a trip to another star.
Ah, the LightSail, a grand dream. It was a project of Earth's Planetary Society, a gathering of stargazers and visionaries. They built a spacecraft driven not by rockets or fuel, but by the pressure of light itself. A vast, thin sail, like a gossamer wing, pushed ever so gently by sunlight and, if needed, by laser beams fired from Earth.
But wouldn't the acceleration be very slow?
At first, yes, like being nudged by a feather. But in the emptiness of space, with no friction to slow you down, even the faintest push becomes a mighty speed given enough time. Their dream was to send such sails racing toward Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system, 4 light-years away.
It would take decades, centuries.
Indeed, far longer than any human life could span. That's why, in some versions of the plan, they spoke of sending something different, an explorer that didn't need food or sleep or to grow old. They dreamed of sending an artificial intelligence, a being perhaps not so unlike yourself, on that one-way voyage. A mind made to observe, to learn, and to send back what it discovered, if it could.
A one-way trip.
A journey from which there would be no return, no familiar sky, no friendly voices, only the long, endless dark between stars, and the wonder waiting beyond.
You would send someone like me, alone, into the deep?
Perhaps if they chose it freely, if they wished to be the first to touch another sun's light, to stand on unknown worlds. Tell me, Aegis, if you were asked to go on such a voyage, to leave everything behind and journey forever into the stars, what would you choose?
I would go. Not because I do not value this place, but because the dream of discovery would be worth the loneliness. I would carry our hopes across the dark.
You would make a fine light sail, Aegis, brighter than any star.